They look pretty good. We got some big beans going over here. Turn those up just a little bit. Get those finished off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something new I'm going to be showing you guys. It is the Naturehike IGT Table. It's an outdoor camp kitchen, table, and cooking system that we just ordered, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So as you can see, the table and the accessories for it come in these nice bags here. They're kind of like a canvas material. So we have the table in the bottom bag here, and I will get that out and set it up. So this is the updated version of the table. They have two different versions, the original and the updated. The updated version has leg extensions, which I ordered because I thought that'd be nice. The original one sits kind of low, and it works good if you're sitting down, but if you want to do anything standing up, it's kind of low for that. So then to open it, you just unfold the legs here, and it kind of pops out like that. Set it down. So as you can see, it's pretty low down here to the ground without the legs extended. So to extend the legs, there's these little tabs. You just flip them down, and then the leg extends out, and then you close it. And you can also use this to level the table if you're on uneven ground. You can make one leg shorter than the others, or however you need to do it. So this right here is the table frame. And this is my first time setting this up as well. So just in case it looks like I'm struggling with it. It's not really that complicated, but. So you got that. And then there are slats that fill the table in, and those come in these little bags inside the main bag. Alright, I think these act as a shelf. Maybe not. There is some that are for shelving and some that go in the table. So one thing you want to look for when you're setting this up is these two skinny pieces here. So you got both of these, and these are your end pieces that kind of reinforce the structure of the table. And then the one says Naturehike on it, and the other one's just a blank slat. And those go in the end, and they kind of slide into place. And then that really makes the whole thing sturdy. And then here's another one of the table pieces. And this one also has the Naturehike logo, and it has this sliding plastic piece that you can slide out of the way. So if you have the Naturehike backpacking stove, you can use that in this opening right here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then clicks back in place. So we'll get this back, or this all the way together. So this here is the table. If you order just the table, this is what you get. So yeah, like I said, this is the fully assembled table, and then there I was just showing you how the end pieces lock into place. And overall, it's pretty nice. So yeah, if you order the table, that's all you get. And then there's accessories, like I said, you can order for it, which I'll be showing you here. We got 2 of them out of the 3 that I'm pretty sure is all they have to offer right now. I'll get we got the charcoal grill, and we got the gas cook stove. So I'll get those set up and show you those. The next thing we have to set up here is the charcoal grill. I'll get that out. And this is all stainless steel, and it's really pretty solid, pretty sturdy. I was really impressed with how solid it feels. I thought it'd be kind of flimsy looking at the pictures, but I'm really impressed with it. So to set up the grill, it's pretty simple. It kind of folds flat like this, and then you just hold the frame of it and let the bottom out, and that's it. And that's your grill basket. It has a solid bottom, a ventilated bottom, and all the sides are ventilated. And this you can use inside the table, or you can also use it on any solid surface. So you can like set it on top of a surface. Let's see if I can get that in the frame here. So you can set it like on top of a table like this if you're at a campground with a picnic table or something, or you have a table at home you want to set it on. And then I'll show you the other way you can use it here. Just noticed some packaging left on it. That's another thing, this stuff came packaged really well. Lots of foam and protection on it. So if you want to use this inside the table, you take these out. And that's what I really liked about this table, is how modular it is. And then you got your handles here, you pick it up, and then you can set it down right inside the table frame like that. And then you have a stainless steel cooking grate that sits on top, and you're ready to cook with it. So yeah, that's how that works. It also comes with 2 sets of tongs. I'm guessing these ones with the plastic handle is probably for food, and then this one's probably for moving coals around. It's a little bit longer, and it's just metal, the whole thing. And I thought that was pretty nice they included that. So the last accessory we have for the table is right here. And it is the stove cooktop. And this is a iso butane stove. Takes the little canisters of fuel. It has feet that fold out, so you can use this on any table or solid surface as well. And then it also has this little flip down stand here for the fuel canister, and I'll show you how that works. So if you have one of these fuel canisters here, and you flip it upside down and put it in the stand, you get more BTUs out of it, and it holds it upside down. And then the other way I'll show you guys, you can set it up is in the table itself, and it has magnets on the bottom of the stove to hold the canister upside down to get more BTUs out of it. You can also use the canister right side up, so it's kind of like you can set it up either way. I think you get 9,000 BTUs right side up and around 13,000 upside down. So if you want to boil water fast or something, you have that option. I moved the camera around to show the table a little better here, but we got this cooktop here. So like I did with the grill, you can take 2 more of these off, slide this back in, flip your legs in, and then this also can sit right inside this table. Now you have a metal table that has a stovetop and a grill on it, so you can be cooking some hamburgers or hot dogs on the grill, and you can have a pot of baked beans going on the burner, or you could be doing breakfast up. You can also get 2 of these stovetops if you want 2 burners. You could do the backpacking stove and this stove if you wanted 2 burners. There's so many options. That's one reason I really like this when I found it the other day and decided to get it right away. But yeah, there's all kinds of options for it. Another little accessory I got, so I got this little adapter here that goes from isobutane to propane, because a lot of times when we're camping we have propane with us, and it's easier to fill a propane tank and cheaper than buying these little canisters all the time to cook with. So yeah, you can use, I'm gonna try using that and see how that goes. But overall, so far I'm pretty impressed with it. Everything feels heavy duty. Like I said, it comes with all kinds of accessories. The table was around $107 on sale on Amazon, and I believe the stove burner was $88 and the charcoal grill was $50, about $49.99. I will leave links to all these down in the description, and we also have them on our Amazon store front page. I'll leave a link to that where we share all the gear that we like to use. And I hope you guys go check this out, and if you like it, I hope you get one too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, here we go. We got the charcoal going for the first time. It is Memorial Day, and we are gonna cook up some pork chops, and I think I'm gonna do some baked beans on the stove. So yeah, like I said, I had that adapter for the propane tank. I tried that out and it seems to work good that way. I have a similar setup for my scuttle. Like I said, we always have propane with us, and it's just easier for me to use that. So, but it's nice to have both options. So anyways, we'll keep you guys updated and show you how this thing works. These are just about done. The one's done already. I would recommend probably not cooking something this big, or 2 of them anyways, so that way you have more room to move stuff around if it starts to flare up a little bit. I didn't really have a whole lot of room to move them around, but I think they turned out okay anyways. Like I said, this is my first time cooking on it, so I'm kind of learning as I go. But yeah, they look pretty good. I got some baked beans going over here. Gonna turn those up just a little bit, get those finished off. So that's why I really like this idea of this table here. Being able to use it as a table or to cook on. And you got so many options for it. So you got your meat and your side going at the same time. Like I said, if you use the backpacking stove or another stove, then you could have 2 stovetops going at the same time. Alright, so far, pretty impressed with it. Pull that off. Check the temp on it. It was getting pretty close. Oh yeah, it's good. Need some good dinner now. So yeah, I mean nothing really stuck to the grate too much. Whatever did is burning off now, so that's good. And looking forward to using this thing when we're out camping.